ओके, कैन वी प्लीज नॉर्मलाइज सेइंग आई कांट अफोर्ड इट? बस इतना बोलती ऐसा क्यों लगता है जैसे हमने कोई नेशनल क्राइम कन्फेस कर दिया हो। आपके दोस्त बोलते हैं लेट्स गो टू दिस एक्सपेंसिव कैफे और आप बोलते हो आई कांट अफोर्ड इट, एंड देन योर ब्रेन गोज लाइक अरे यार मैंने तो मेरी गरीबी पब्लिक कर दी। बट जेन्युइनली हु केयर्स? बिकॉज apparently Gen Z has decided that being financially responsible is actually a flex, and this is basically what people are calling loud budgeting. And no, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम हर जगह जाके बोलोगे ब्रो आई हैव ओनली ₹73 in my bank account। नहीं, ये नहीं करना है। It simply means you are comfortable saying not in my budget. And honestly this sentence can save you a lot of money, because let's be real, हम पैसे सिर्फ चीजों पर खर्च नहीं करते, हम फोमो पर खर्च करते हैं। सब जा रहे हैं, सबके पास है, मुझे भी चाहिए, एक बार ही तो है, एंड दैट एक बार ही तो है हैज प्रोबेबली डिस्ट्रॉयड मोर बैंक अकाउंट्स देन एक्चुअल इमरजेंसी। एक कॉफी 300 रुपए की, बट इट्स जस्ट कॉफी। फिर डिलीवरी 250 रुपए की, रैंडम स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट 500 रुपए का, बट इट्स ऑन डिस्काउंट। डिस्काउंट पे खरीदा है, कंग्रेचुलेशन, तुमने 500 रुपए बचाए नहीं, तुमने 500 रुपए खर्च किए हैं। एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग डोंट एंजॉय योर मनी, प्लीज एंजॉय योर मनी। व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ अर्निंग इफ यू कांट एंजॉय एनीथिंग? पॉइंट ये है यू डिसाइड वेयर योर मनी गोज, नॉट इंस्टाग्राम, नॉट योर फ्रेंड, नॉट सम रैंडम इन्फ्लुएंसर डूइंग व्हाट आई स्पेंट इन अ डे वीडियो व्हाइल कैजुअली शोइंग 4000 का ब्रेकफास्ट। Because there is this weird pressure to look financially okay. You don't want to say नहीं मैं नहीं आ रहा या मैं नहीं आ रही, because you think people will think that you are broke. So instead you go spend your money, come home, check your bank balance, and suddenly character development. Like, why are we pretending? Loud budgeting is basically saying I would rather keep my money than spend it just to fit in. And honestly that's not being cheap, that's having responsibility, that's having priority. Maybe आपके friends किसी expensive cafe में जाना चाहते होंगे, you can literally say I am saving right now, let's do something cheaper. That's it. No 17-minute explanation, no excuse, no मम्मी ने मना किया है, no, it's your money. And here is why I think Gen Z gets it right. We are surrounded by people constantly selling us lifestyle, new phone, new clothes, new makeup, new skincare routines, new everything. और अगर आपने ये सब नहीं किया तो फोमो होता है। बट इसमें फनी पार्ट क्या है कि you can literally be financially stressed when you are trying to be financially comfortable. So here is my rule. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I actually want this? Or do I just want the feeling that comes while having it? Because those are two different things. Maybe you don't want the bag, maybe you want to feel successful, maybe you don't want the coffee, you just want that aesthetics, maybe you don't want the new phone, maybe you just don't want to feel behind. And once you realize that, game changes, because financially independent doesn't start when you earn in lakhs. It starts when you can say no to yourself, to your family, to your friends, to random sales, and yes, to that little voice saying just buy it bro, you can figure it out later. No, we are not figuring it out later. So yeah, maybe the new flex isn't look how much I spent, maybe it's I could afford it, I just didn't want it enough. And that is loud budgeting. If you want more Gen Z independence and self-improvement content like this, you know what to do. And please check your bank account before ordering that little treat.